Hello YouTube family, welcome back again onto my channel Truckers Lifestyle at Alfredo's YouTube channel. We're just going through the outskirts of Kampala after all that rain that dropped by a couple of days. Everywhere was flooded. You know what flood is? Every part of the town was flooded. And it's so chaotic in a way that sometimes you can't even be able to drive through these roads. If you're new to my channel, please kindly do subscribe, share and like my contents. Hit the notification bell to receive more videos regarding Truckers Lifestyle. Apparently my voice has changed because we had a couple of excitement time when we went to watch the WRC. So I've got a little bit of a cough and a cold, but you'll have to bear with it. So I'm just taking you around, guys, to see the outskirts of Kampala town in Uganda, to see how traffic moves. This is how it moves, so you just come along and see what's happening. See you in a bit.